Alright guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing review on my new portable power station. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go take a look at it. These are super cool, super handy to have, even if it's not just for outdoor use. You can use this like on job sites, things like that. Packaged very well. User manual. Power cable for it. And the actual power station itself. That thing's heavy duty. Got quite a bit of weight to it, but it is portable. You can just carry this around. Very cool. Right up here, charge your phone wirelessly. 3 USBs, 1 fast USB, Type-C. Your traditional outlets right here. Does have a light as well. Let's power it on. It's got your LCD right there showing you how much battery it has. It has 60% as of right now. And right here you have a way to use like the cigarette lighter part of it, or also if you have like fans or other kind of devices that use these kind of plugs, you can also power those up as well. And then right over here is if you wanted to charge this through solar panels, it does have that option as well. So like I said, has a lot of features that you can use. I'm gonna go ahead and take it outside. I'm gonna plug a couple things so just to try it out. All right, so the first thing I do want to show is the light that it has on here. So there's different ways of using it. So again, very simple but nice to have. Just flashlight built right into it. This doesn't just have to be used for like camping. This could also be used like as a workstation. So we'll plug this in. All right, and there it is, charging right up. So set that there. All right, and then we'll go ahead and try one of the USB ports. We'll plug this into our iPad. There it is. And this can charge an iPad up to 18 times from 0%. So now we got that rolling. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and plug in our Nintendo Switch to it. Go ahead and plug that one into the fast charging option. All right, and there it is right there. Sorry about the light, but it is charging right here. And then we'll go ahead and actually plug another item right over here. Plug in my laptop. All right, and there is the light letting you know it is charging. So as you can see, I still have a Type-C port, a USB port to utilize, and then I'm gonna go ahead and charge my phone on here as well. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so we'll go ahead and put our phone on there. And there it is. Check that out. Heavy duty, but still very light portable. Got your handle right there. Type-C, USB still available. These other options still available here as well. All right guys, so there you have it. So you can see you got a lot going on here and it can handle all of it plus a couple items more. So like I said, it doesn't have to just be for outdoor use, camping use. It could be for work tasks as well. So you guys are looking for a new portable power station, definitely look into this one. If you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Definitely helps out. But I'm gonna leave that link down below so you can get yours. Highly recommend.